the easiest side hustle for 2024. In this video, I'm going to break down why making money with affiliate marketing is the easiest side hustle for you to start this year. But before I kind of get into that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing so you can sack your boss and live a life of true passion, freedom, and fulfillment. And just as a bit of social proof that this is something that I actually do, I've been able to generate sales like this and sales like this repeatedly over and over again. But this isn't about me, this is about you. And I've been able to help students from all over the world start making commissions online. We've got Dave King here from the UK. He was struggling for over 14 years before he started working with me. And after he was able to actually quit his job and go full-time with affiliate marketing. We've got Srini over here from India. He was struggling online for over 10 years, going in the wrong direction before he started working with me. And he was able to go full-time with affiliate marketing too. So if you want more information on how these people are doing this, then I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training that I put together on my Ollie framework. So first things first, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is essentially just selling other people's proven products and earning a commission when a sale is made. Now, the great thing about this business model is you don't need to purchase any expensive stock or anything like that because we're actually selling digital products, okay? Which means you're never really going to actually have to, handle any of the packaging, any of the shipping like you would have to do with something like drop shipping, right? And what will happen is you will get something called a unique affiliate link. And when somebody clicks on that link, it will install something called a cookie into their browser. So if they go over onto the sales page and they make a purchase, that sale will then be coded to you, which means that you make a commission. Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing is you only really need to focus on the sales and marketing aspect of things in order for it to work. So you don't need to actually go out there and create any of the products yourself. You don't need to deal with customer support like you would have to do with most different business models, right? So it's not as steep as a learning curve as it would be for other business models. So I just want to break down my Ollie framework for affiliate marketing so you can understand exactly what it's going to take in order for you to start making money with affiliate marketing. So the very first thing that you're going to need is an offer, okay? And there are three main niches within the online space, and they are health, wealth, and relationships. And affiliate marketing is simply just a sub niche within the wealth space, right? So now you've selected a niche, obviously we're going to need an offer that's related to that niche. And I always recommend going for the private affiliate programs over stuff like, the free products that you're going to get on ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ShareASale. And the main reason being is where these other sites are free and they allow anybody to promote their stuff, you get a lot of spammy tactics, a lot of people who don't know what they're doing promoting the products off these sites. So they typically aren't as good quality as the stuff that you get on these private affiliate programs where the creators have taken a lot of time and effort and, they put a lot of time and effort into creating these amazing products and they're just much better quality, which means when you make a sale, your clients are going to be much more happy with that purchase, which means that they're going to come back and buy from you again. So you want to make sure that you've got a high quality offer to sell. So the next thing you're going to need is eyeballs on your offer. So we do this through, with the Ollie framework, we call this leverage. Okay. So we leverage this through something called attraction marketing. So attraction marketing is simply just how you can get people to come towards you versus you having to chase them down. And this is done through either short form or long form content. Okay. So short form content are going to be things such as TikToks, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The great thing about short form content is these platforms will serve you a lot of traffic quite fast. And, you'll be able to get a lot of eyeballs on your offer quite quickly. Long form content, on the other hand, is much better for building, a much better relationship with your audience. It's a little bit like the video that you're watching right now. And these are typically YouTube videos, which are over a minute long. And then once we've done that, we then focus on infrastructure. Okay, so how can we build a team to help us with the techie bits? I'm not very good at video editing, so I hire out somebody from the Philippines, to take care of my video editing for me. And this just basically helps to keep the viewers engaged on my videos whilst they're watching. So if any of you want more information on how to do this stuff, I have put together a free training which breaks down my Ollie framework in much more detail. So I do recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out that video. I'm Andy Mattis and I'm out.